So here we have the door, and you can see we did a little support on it, did a little rasping on it to make it a little nicer, and we also had to cut it off to account for the new floor. So the new floor goes underneath the cabinets now, and you can see how crooked these are. Well, maybe you can't tell, but they really are really crooked boards. And it's weird how the whole support system is. So we're taking these boards out. We had to cut them to get them out. I've already removed two. You can see one down here. And then we're going to put in new supports behind where we need to, and new cross pieces, and have to get them right. Here we have a nail sticking out. I'm going to have to remove that. And we'll make some things look nicer. We'll cut some better strips here for blocks. So they're stops, I should say. And repair this front edge here. And then we'll put the new shelves in. We're going to use some hemlock, I think. I already got some. So this should look really good. Put the new door on. Or the not new door, but the original door. And then we need to work on this door also. We need to cut it off. Put some support into it. And then we should be good to go. We're also working on the floor here. You can see the flooring. I think we're past the halfway mark. So we're going to take it over to the furnace part here. Do this. We're going to do some more tonight. And then I need to get some more granite, carry some more in, do this area. Then we're going to start moving stuff over, remove the oil tank, get that out of here, and then we will continue on and hopefully have these back in shape too. So that's where we're on. We're in the bungalow. We did set up the one air chair, the love seat air chair, and I just have it sitting here for now. We'll go someplace down here. I also have some other air chairs, some single lounger air chairs, 2 of them to hang up. Actually, I think this is can't remember, this is a lounger too, I think, but different style. So, well, it's going to be cool. Nice and cool down here. We got our new posts here. You can see how we've taken them off with a hatchet. And we have 4 in so far. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're working on the 5th one now. And then we'll be changing the stairs. So we're also going to remove the 2x4s underneath the stairs that we don't need anymore. And we'll use them to do our shelving over here. So we'll get some use out of that. Okay, time to work on the flooring.